Yo, what is up, guys? This is a new video. As you guys can see what I'm holding here, it's a high mileage seafoam. I'm about to be seafoaming the car today, so I'm gonna keep this really short, man. Like, I don't want to do too much talking, but if you're new to this channel, make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and I post videos when I can. G35 content, fucking, you know, I make music too, so if you guys like, you know, hip-hop beats, trap beats, you know, I'm gonna be posting all that stuff too. So let's get to this, guys. All right, high mileage seafoam. So you guys gotta take off this top right here, and it's gonna have this little weird thing. It's kind of hard to pull a little bit, but just gotta grab that little sucker, lift up, and I think I almost fucked it up. There we go. And then what you want to do is put this in your gas tank. No, come on this side. And you want to put this, you probably, I don't know, it depends how much gas you have. If you have like a quarter of a tank, just drop the whole bottle, but I rather wait till your little light comes on. And you can let that sit there for like 10 minutes, and we're gonna come back and start the car. Alright, there ain't no smoke yet. I'm gonna try to rev it up a little bit. So I guess that's a fail. I don't see no smoke coming out. I probably, because I have to put it into the oil, but I ain't trying to do all that. But I'm about to go drive it around, see how that goes. Maybe we'll get some smoke, but I doubt it. If not, then shit, I don't know. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to pump some gas after you guys do that seafoam thing. And hope this shit help you guys out. Have a good one. Hey yo, make sure to show some love at my other page. I have a photography and videography page at Creative Feelings. I'll leave the name on the description so you guys can follow me on there. I'm trying to build that page up, you know, keep it going. We know we out here in California, IE, man, stand up, show some love, represent.